Oh man, nice to get out of that RV park. Anything to get away from the craziness.
Right, we have to get away from mommy and daddy, go to the beach.
I think the water's falling.
Let's do it.
What do you think?
This great adventure.
Why are you knocking?
Guess who's here?
Oh, I have been waiting for so long.
It's our Bright Cellars wine.
Is it too early?
It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
Right? All right, I'll get the glasses. You want the little shorties?
That works.
What time is it? How many bottles do we get in there?
6.
Oh, sweet.
I think 6 will last the entire month.
I don't know.
Cool. It's like some coupons.
So this is the one where we filled out the questionnaire, right?
Right, those 7 questions that we filled out online. Wow, how cool is that? Oh, I like the name of this first one, Obscura.
Oh, that is cool.
Look at the design on that one.
It reminds me a little bit of the Scream.
Oh,
or
right.
Monet, maybe?
Yeah, that famous painting. There's Obscura right there. We get cards. Wandering Giants right there.
Little cards that tell you Obscura has notes of blackberry, blackcurrant, baking spices, and bell pepper. That one sounds really good. I've been waiting so long for this.
Hazel Air.
It sounds like something I would like.
We filled out a questionnaire, just 7 questions online about what kind of wines we like. They're able to choose all these different kinds of wines that we've never tried before.
Right.
Cripsis.
Oh, that sounds interesting. Folk and Fable.
Grabbing some of them out.
Jet Bird. North Coast. It's a cab.
And look how well they pack these.
Let's crack these open.
Now we don't need this.
It's time. Are we gonna try all of them?
Of course. What should we try first?
The first one that came out of the box.
Obscura.
I like the blackberry and the spices. And bell pepper.
Right, I've never seen that as an ingredient in wine.
Isn't that the one that said bell pepper? Is this all I get?
We gotta find our favorite.
Oh, we're doing a tasting. Gotcha. I thought we were just gonna drink a whole bottle of wine in the middle of the afternoon. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my gosh, I really like that.
That is good.
That is really good. Smooth.
Smells good too.
Maybe if you tilt it to the side like that and then watch the legs. I really, really like that. It is smooth and I love the notes. Wow, how many corks do we need? Let's look at the
gosh.
cards. Which one is that?
Cripsis. Oh, this is my favorite so far. Definitely like this one. I would pair this with anything. Yeah, Bright Cellars, and we don't have to worry about getting wine that we don't like.
How many times we go to the grocery store and there's all these wines to choose from and you don't know?
Well, you brought some kind
Eh.
of so-so wines home.
you have to like be all in investing in a whole bottle. With this, you don't have to, and I love that.
Well, and if we don't like a bottle, we can just ask them to replace it next month, and they do that for free.
Oh, sweet. Awesome. Well, that's a big cheers.
Cheers. Were they on point with these?
Yeah, I'm digging this. So, fun day today.
What a fun day.
Well, this actually bumps it up a few more levels to make it an amazing day. How many times are we gonna cheers?
You know what's cool about getting 6 bottles of wine you've never heard of? It's like a mystery finding out what each one is gonna taste like. Would you like 50% off your own personalized selection of 6 bottles of wine?
Click that link below in the description and fill out that quiz so they will find the perfect wines for you.
Vlogging during COVID. We've never been to this place before.
No, it's called the Craft Bar. They have outdoor
Cool.
seating, so I think this will be a good option for us to go eat where it might be safe and be like 6-foot distance from people.
You got us new style and masks here, I see.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
I see truffle fries on here.
Ooh, we should split a plate of that. What burger are you gonna get?
I haven't looked at those yet.
Well, what are you doing? Chop chop.
Actually, I think this is probably one of the better ones that we have on right now. It's got that sour nose to it and then a hoppy finish. It's kind of weird if you've never had a sour. It's interesting. And this last one is Imperial, the only Imperial IPA that we have on right now. I'm surprised that the ABV is that low for it being an Imperial.
So you didn't recommend the Abomination Only Health Can Save Us Now, huh?
It's got a very particular taste.
Do you sample these
Yeah,
at
we
all?
can do
or-
samples. No, we can do that one, yeah. We can do a flight. I can just pick 4 IPAs for you if you want. Any particular ones that you want?
That Abomination, just because it sounds kind of cool. Your other favorites are cool.
I'll give you a good range of the IPAs too.
Yeah.
Pepino del Benicio. Did I say that right? But we can call it Resting Beach Base because I like that name better.
So this is only our second time going out since we've been here. I'm hoping it's better than the first time.
Are you talking about McGuire's?
Someone got a little close and I got a little upset at them because they were oblivious to social distancing. So it's like, get the away, dude. And I'm sure this will be more fun than that.
Nice.
Sweet.
How pretty.
Yummy. Woo. That is really good. I need to know how to make these at home.
This one right here.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, I like it. Citrusy and sour. I actually like that one. That was the Abomination Only Hell Can Save Us Now. Ooh, not digging that one. RP 5 points. No, the winner right here. The Abomination is my favorite, the one I picked out.
Oh.
That looks amazing. I got the hand sanitizer.
Hey.
That looks pretty sweet.
Oh my God, it's so good.
A 10, huh? Okay.
Yeah. It's got brie cheese and fig jam on it. The truffle fries are so good.
I will try the fries first. Oh yeah. He's so happy.
shoreline, wherever the water is that day.
You're right.
Can't do anything.
You're within your right.
The park isn't private, right?
There's nobody around us right here. It's great,
Right.
but look that way.
Yeah, great way to social distance.
Just like a vibe, you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was done feeling hopeless. Screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold.
Hi there.
Hi, how's it going?
Good. Just a letter?
Yes, you're all set.
Thank you. Oh, it's another warm one here in Florida. Time to hit the beach again, though. Beach time.
Yes. Let me get my face mask. Oh wait, there's
Few waves.
I don't know. Ah, don't scare me like that.
Where's my beer?
Do you really want a beer? I'll get you one.
No, that's okay. So we were just like kissing just a little bit over here. And these like 13-year-old boys over here were actually disgusted by it.
They said they need to stop making out over there. It's making me uncomfortable. How horrible to see people kissing. Whoa. We're doing terrible things.